Hey guys, welcome back. This episode I'm going to teach you how to grow your own apple trees right from seed. So I've been conducting this experiment for a couple months now. I purchased Gala apples at my local supermarket and Honeycrisp apples from an organic farm. So I wanted to see which one would grow better, or if at all, and fortunately both started sprouting. What I did was, after I was done eating the apple, I took the seeds out, I placed them in these bags, threw some soil and a little bit of water in there, and left them in my crisper drawer in my fridge for about 2 months. So now that they're starting to sprout, we're going to transplant them into these pots right here. And over the next year or so, we're going to monitor the growth, if we have growth at all, and if we do, we'll see how big they get. So I'll bring you in for a closer look to show you what the seedlings look like. Okay, so we'll start with the organic Honeycrisp. You know, this bag is starting to look a little dry, but as you can tell, it's just starting to come out of the seed. So we'll throw that back for now. Let's check out the Gala. Yeah, the soil is much more rich and moist. There you go. There we go. Okay, now that you've seen the seedlings, time to transplant. Okay, so we'll start with the Gala first. I don't know how it is by you, but mosquitoes and flies are just eating me up this year. Okay, so we got one right there. And we'll try to space them out, do 2, maybe 3 per pot, depending on how many we have. Okay, we'll definitely have more Galas than Honeycrisp. As you can see, we got some seedlings right here. Okay. Okay, now we got everything potted and labeled. What we'll do is we'll leave them outside. They can get natural sunlight and water. Although come winter time, we'll bring them in because they are too small. They probably will die if left exposed to the elements. But this is something so simple that you could do at home. It doesn't cost much. It's the cost of an apple and maybe some dirt. You can always find these plastic containers. People are always getting rid of them. So if you're looking for a good side hustle, this might be a good possibility. I've seen some of these plants go from $50 to over $150, sometimes more, depending on the size and the quality. As long as you have time and patience, there's really no work involved in this other than going down to the store, buying an apple, biting into it, and saving seeds. So for someone that's looking for a self-sustaining lifestyle, this is an easy way to get that started with minimal effort. So if you found this interesting, hit that like button, please subscribe, it helps my channel out immensely, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot.